Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the best products so you can make smarter choices. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best PVC ball valve on the market. The 10PCS 1/2-inch PVC ball valve with blue T handle, designed for shut-off functionality in outdoor plumbing and irrigation systems. Right out of the box, you get a pack of 10 1/2-inch PVC ball valves, which makes it an excellent choice for large-scale projects or bulk replacements. Whether you're working on a new lawn sprinkler system, maintaining a swimming pool, or upgrading a backyard irrigation network, this product has you covered. One of the standout features here is the build quality. These valves are made from high-grade polyvinyl chloride, commonly known as PVC, which is known for its durability and high impact resistance. That means it can take some knocks without cracking, and since PVC is naturally corrosion resistant, it's ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, even in wet or humid conditions. The valves are designed to meet ASTM D2466 and D1784 standards, meaning they adhere to industry-grade specifications for both materials and dimensions. Plus, they're NSF certified, ensuring that they're safe for use in clean water applications. That's especially important when you're dealing with potable water lines or anything connected to a food-growing irrigation system. Let's talk about installation. The slip socket design allows for straightforward solvent weld connections, making it easy for DIYers or professionals to get the job done quickly. There's no threading, no taping. Just apply your solvent cement, slide the valve in place, and you're done. It's efficient and secure. Now, let's focus on usability. Each valve features a blue T handle with a non-slip surface, giving you a comfortable grip even when your hands are wet. The handle turns smoothly, allowing for quick and easy shut-off or flow adjustments. That's especially handy in emergency situations where every second counts. Internally, the valve features a built-in EPDM O-ring, which is known for its excellent sealing capabilities. This ensures a leak-proof performance even under moderate pressure. So whether you're supplying water to your garden beds or managing a small aquaponics system, these valves will help you maintain consistent, reliable control. Each unit is part of a Schedule 40 system, which balances pressure handling with affordability. It's a perfect match for low to medium pressure environments, like household water systems, garden irrigation setups, and light industrial applications. From an environmental perspective, the material used is non-toxic and safe for clean water delivery. That makes it a forward-thinking choice not just for functionality, but also for sustainability. So, to recap, you're getting 10 rugged, corrosion-resistant, leak-proof valves that are easy to install and effortless to operate. Whether you're a homeowner, a contractor, or a small-scale farmer, this 10PCS 1/2-inch PVC ball valve pack from AODESTINY is an indispensable tool for modern water control systems. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful and want more deep dives on high-performing tools and hardware, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.